We are Erem, a new outdoor performance brand that makes sustainable gear inspired by the most demanding landscapes on Earth. This is our first Kickstarter campaign. Introducing the HEE-luh. An adventure sandal that outperforms all others while setting a new bar in sustainability. We designed the HEE-luh from the ground up, differently. Featuring a dual-density recycled cork midsole and a contoured footbed, the HEE-luh is insanely comfortable, will never pack out, and promotes long-term foot health. Built with an extra grippy bio-rubber outsole that gives you the confidence to tackle everything from aggressive terrain to adventuring in and out of water. And a proprietary X-shaped tensile strapping system with custom zinc hardware securely locks in your foot while providing extra lateral support. At Erem, we are a group of outdoor adventurers and activists who believe that a better performing sandal was needed to explore the rugged landscapes to which we are drawn, and that the answer was not to just throw plastic at the problem. Today's sandals are typically made by melting pieces of plastic together. Our HEE-luh is 100% bio-circular, meaning they are crafted using only premium materials that provide better performance and that can safely return back to the earth after their long and useful life. It took us over 18 months of speccing, sourcing, and testing to prove that our strap design, custom hardware, and sole performed exactly the way we intended it to. The HEE-luh is built to prove that best-in-class performance and sustainability can and should go hand in hand. It's so sustainable that you can literally throw it out your window and rest easy knowing that your HEE-luh will return safely back to nature. We are excited that you are the first to see this game-changing product come to life. Thank you for your support. We can't wait to see you out on the trail or on the river in our new HEE-luh sandal.
Your life is a journey on this beautiful planet Earth. Happy Valley boots and sandals would love to make your journey more comfortable and sustainable. The idea for Happy Valley boots and sandals was born in Portland, Oregon, to bring back great American tradition of quality and craftsmanship. Look at the label inside any mass-produced shoe, and you will likely find that the materials are man-made. Most shoe brands use artificial materials created by exploiting crude oil to make the products cheaper. After a short life, these shoes are difficult to recycle and typically end up in landfills. At Happy Valley, we strive to use only natural leathers and recyclable materials. Our team has great expertise with foot movements and dynamics, cushioning and support. Happy Valley sandals have a very unique design. First, zero-drop construction, which means the heel is at the same elevation as the forefoot. This creates better weight distribution and improves stability. The second unique feature is the U-shaped heel. With each step, the leather sole absorbs the pressure from your heel like a spring. We're making our product using a rapid stitch machine. So our sandals pretty much indestructible because the upper and straps are stitched together with the sole. To make this sandal, it takes a lot of work. You can see the strap is glued on the back side, and it has a rivet come through that. This strap, it's stitched down through the outsole, so you will never be able to pull it out. It is extremely strong. Thanks for buying our sandals and supporting our project on Kickstarter.
The fashion industry is one of the most polluting in the world, so we decided to fix that by making a sandal from recycled bottles and planting one tree for every pair sold. Wait, that's not right. This isn't our script. We are New Oceans, and we are recycling the unrecyclable. Plastics today are covering our oceans, beaches, and cities. People around the world are coming together to find solutions for this crisis. But there is one source of pollution that is going completely overlooked. Every year, 3 billion flip-flops, just like this one, are being produced around the world. That's enough shoes for half the world's population. About 1 in 5 items in every beach clean is a flip-flop. The world is drowning under this seemingly insignificant shoe. What's worse is that these flip-flops are made of unrecyclable plastic polymers that no one knows what to do with. We decided that couldn't continue. New Oceans was founded to find a real solution to a problem that was being completely overlooked. After years of research in what to do with these old flip-flops, we finally found a solution: the Nuo. The Nuo is the only sandal made out of unrecyclable ocean plastics. Our multi-layered design allows us to maximize the amount of ocean plastic we use without compromising on durability or comfort. The colorful mid-layer is made up of old flip-flops collected from the beaches in Thailand, shredded and pressed together in a random mix, which means that every pair is as unique as its owner. For the straps, we use discarded fishing nets collected from the Mediterranean, and the soles are made of recycled foam from the footwear industry in Spain, where the Nuo is assembled. We also wanted to make sure that our products would not contribute further to ocean pollution, so the Nuos are 100% recyclable, and we offer a recuperation scheme for the end of their life so that they may start a new one all over again. We believe that by the actions of each and every one of us, we can and will rebuild a safe, thriving environment. We are committed to do whatever it takes to free our oceans from plastic. Step ahead, go beyond, walk the extra mile. But from here is where we need your help. 1,000 kilos is the amount of plastic we are removing from the ocean with this crowdfunding, and thousands more in the future if we keep putting our best foot forward. 1 minute is all it takes for you to join the movement, pledge and have an impact as big as the ocean. So what are you waiting for? Be part of the new generation and step beyond ocean waste.
Feet are different from person to person. Some people's feet, whether it be the left foot or right foot, differ in shape and size. In order to fit people's feet, shoes are mass-produced into various lengths or widths. As a consumer, we buy shoes we like based on its size. Well, things are changing from now on. We are proud that we've invented a shoe without a size, 3D printed custom sandals. Our 3D printed custom sandals are created by using a full-length 3D printed custom midsole, a custom outsole, and conventional sandal uppers. Each sandal is tailored to each person's unique foot to match its length and width, and more importantly, to match the plantar contour shape of your feet. 3D printed custom sandals will fit perfectly to your feet to provide ultimate comfort and the right amount of arch support. This will improve balance and distribute your body weight more evenly because they are printed from impressions or scans of your own feet, so there is no shoe size to attach to the sandal. We identify the sandal only by customer's name. Accurate 3D data of a person's foot is the foundation of making every customized footwear. We treat this very seriously and don't cut corners. Accurate true 3D foot scan focusing on the bottom of your foot can provide a good starting point to build a truly custom footwear. We don't guess 3D contour shape from a 2D picture of the side of a foot. This practice doesn't meet our standards. This way is the most accurate true 3D foot scanner. Our foot scanner is designed to scan a foot directly. This can include a casting or impression box. It takes about 2 seconds for our foot scanner to generate over 10,000 plus XYZ points with 0.2 millimeters. That is 0.008 of an inch accuracy per each foot. As a result, please don't be surprised that wrinkles on the bottom of your foot can show up sometimes in your foot scan data unintentionally. If you don't have access to one of our foot scanners, we will mail you a foot impression foam box. After the foot impressions are taken, please send the foam box back to us. We will use the same foot scanner to scan your foot impressions. After a foot is scanned, a custom midsole is digitally designed for each foot, not mirrored left to right, to make sure it will fit perfectly for the length and width, as well as the 3D contour shape. For those who use functional foot orthotics to manage their various foot conditions, such as plantar fasciitis, bunions, metatarsalgia, and leg length discrepancy, a prescription from a medical practitioner, whether that be a podiatrist, chiropractor, and pet orthist, can be incorporated during this digital design process, such as heel medial skives, full to minimum contact arch support, rear foot posting varus or valgus angles, heel lifting, and first ray cutout. If you need to compensate a leg length discrepancy, the right and left midsoles can be 3D printed into different heights. A special desktop 3D printer is used to turn the digital designs into a physical midsole. These 3D printed midsoles have a built-in lattice structure used to alter the firmness at the different sections of the midsole. The digital design of the midsole is used to laser cut the sandal outsole. Finally, the custom outsole, 3D printed midsole, and sandal uppers are assembled together to create a pair of custom sandals only for you. Our 3D printed custom sandals are more than just a pair of sandals. It takes personalization to a totally new dimension and represents a brand new mass customization of footwear manufacturing via 3D printing. We believe the 3D printed custom sandals will benefit all types of feet. That's why we need your help to make this revolution come true.
So it's spring, and it's officially time to bust out those sandals and let your feet breathe. But be careful, sandals aren't the most stable footwear out there, especially when it comes to slippery surfaces. And with 2 million slip and fall accidents ending in the hospital every year, it's important that you have the proper foot equipment to avoid unnecessary accidents. Don't worry, because if you still want to feel safe while wearing your sandals, Reya Sandals has got you covered. With their innovative, patented outsole technology, they just launched a Kickstarter campaign to bring their non-slip technology to sandals without sacrificing style. Reya Sandals with outsoles made of grip tech solves the age-old dilemma of comfort versus safety. Their sandals, available for both men and women, have an extra strong fabric inside the thong so it never breaks apart or separates from the base for extreme durability. The women's sandals have added cushion memory foam, while the men's have added arch support. Again, they're also about style, so there will be 4 colors for men and 6 colors for women. But the coolest thing is their patented technology that's employed on the outsole. It basically feels like basketball shoes do on a court, but change that to sandals on wet or slick surfaces. So to check out the Reya Sandals and pre-order a pair for June, visit reyafootwear.com/Kickstarter today.